you might be trying everything to balance blood sugar, reduce stress, sleep better, eat better, and maybe even reach in for herbs first. Herbs are definitely great. They're not the first step. And skipping the basics can leave you stuck in the same cycle over and over again. I get it. You tried herbal teas, tinctures, maybe some capsules, hoping they fix everything. Whether you're trying to fix energy, cravings, or blood sugar, the list goes on. And maybe even you've encapsulated yourself. Hey, I've been guilty of that in the past, taking a ton of capsules, but it's not working out like you planned. Herbs are supportive, but we must look to the foundation first so we keep ourselves from going in circles. Our body needs the basics: nourishing food, adequate protein and fiber, and healthy fats, and a more balanced lifestyle. One thing we don't want to do is keep guessing on what works or feeling like you keep failing no matter what you do. So instead of constantly chasing fixes, what if you start implementing small routines to keep your blood sugar steady, support your hormones, and in turn, that helps you sleep better? When we get to the root of the matter and start changes there, then we can enhance our results. But by focusing on the foundations first, we can start reclaiming energy, better stress management, better sleep, and more. So that might be working on getting more sleep, reducing your morning routine, some delegation with patients in your home, right? And prioritizing and other things. If you need some assistance with keeping meals easy, I create a free 4 smoothie guide with recipes designed to help you balance blood sugar, boost energy, and support stress and sleep naturally. Now, the recipes are quick and use ingredients you probably already have at home. So check your description for that. It is totally free. And let's get started working on that foundation. If you think that any information in this video has helped you, like the video. And if you think anyone else could benefit from the information in this video or the smoothie guide, please share the link with them. All right, take care.